Mithu, what this action's called means straight tail, straight head, and straight back. Mithu, what do you want, Mithu? Mithu, why are you so angry? You always so angry. Why, Mithu? Mithu? Oh, Mithu. What? What happened? Mithu? Is there anything down? Huh? Nothing. Then, what are you searching for? Mithu? Looking at my red dress? Huh? You like it? Mithu, like my red dress? Looking at my dress? Mithu, want to wear that? Huh, Mithu? Huh, Mithu? Mithu like red color. Hey, Mithu. Mithu. Hey? What happened? What happened, Mithu? Go to sleep. Mithu. You are sleeping. Go to sleep. Mithu. Still in this mood and this position. Okay. Okay. Mithu, say bye. Bye. Yawning, yawning, feeling sleepy. Feeling sleepy? Mithu, feeling sleepy? Always feeling sleepy? Hmm? 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 Always feeling sleepy. Mithu. Mithu. Mia, Mithu. Mia, Mithu. Mia, Mithu. Meow. Meow. Mia, Mithu, meow. Meow, meow. Mithu. 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 Okay, bye. Right? Bye. Bye, Mithu. Bye, Mithu.